Are you confused with all the weight loss information out there? Well, in this video, I will share with you one mistake that people make all the time, including myself.
We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and go. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know.
Welcome back to the channel. My name is Silvestro, the Weight Loss King. For anyone who is new to the channel, this channel is all about losing weight for the very last time. 18 years ago, I lost 80 kilos. It took me 18 months to lose my weight. Mistake number one, changing your eating habits overnight. How many of us have done this? How many times have you gone crazy eating all the bad foods you know you shouldn't have, only to promise yourself to take them off starting tomorrow, maybe next week or next month or next year? Yes, guilty as charged. How often have you decided to suddenly clean out your kitchen, your pantry cupboard, your freezer, your office drawers, under your bed, and throw away all the junk food and then shop only healthy? How's that working for you? No one can expect to change a lifetime of eating habits overnight. To lose weight for the very last time, it's best to adopt a way of eating that you can stick to for the rest of your life, that you enjoy, that you can get used to without any effort. So, guess what? I have a solution for you today. Eating healthy isn't about taking food away. Food isn't the enemy. It's about eating more of the things that are good for you, making better choices, making better decisions, learning how to change. To be successful, let's implement small, realistic changes. So for example, next week, swap that milk from 2% to 1%, or switch the bread from white bread to whole grain variety. Once you get used to that, you can set these small goals, like eating one serve of fruit or one serve of vegetables each day. The point is to start small with change that fits into your lifestyle. If you take one step every day towards losing weight for the very last time from right now, you'll be about 340 odd steps closer to losing weight for the very last time. Trust me, I've been here before. What you spend time thinking about is a true indicator of which direction you are heading towards losing weight. So do it from day one. Day one, lifestyle, not diet. If you don't like what you're thinking, or what you're eating, or who you're around, then change it and commit to doing whatever it takes, realistically, safely, and do it so you can do it all the time to lose weight for the very last time. And if you click up here, you can download your free weight loss planner that's going to help you track and keep things as well. And if you want to talk to me, click down below. There'll be a link where you can click and we can Skype and we can chat about your unique situation. Thank you for watching this video. The next video will be about changing old habits with new habits and keeping the weight off forever. If you like this video, please consider in subscribing or liking or sharing. I am very humble that you are here. And like I said, at the end of the day, when it comes to losing weight for the very last time, fall in love with a lifestyle that you can adapt to. Talk to you soon.
Rise up and we